Systems Overview. To extract evidence from memory, you must first understand how Windows builds it. This chapter is the foundation. Every volatility plugin you will ever run depends on the structures we cover today. Windows runs on a privilege ring model. Ring 0 is the kernel hardware access, full trust, no restrictions. Ring 3 is user space where your browser, malware, and every process lives. The kernel can touch everything. User processes can only touch what they own. Every process in Windows is represented by a data structure called EPROCESS. This is a C struct in kernel memory. It holds everything: the process ID, the parent PID, the executable name, the virtual address space, the handle table, the list of loaded modules. Volatility reads this structure to reconstruct process information. Windows gives every process its own virtual address space 4 TB on 64-bit systems. The bottom half belongs to user space. The top half is kernel space, identical across all processes. Virtual addresses are not real addresses. The CPU must translate them to physical RAM through page tables. Windows has two pools of kernel memory. Paged pool, kernel memory that can be swapped to disk when not needed. Non-paged pool, kernel memory that must always stay in RAM, used for interrupt handlers and DMA. Pool allocations have tags for byte strings like PROC for processes. Volatility uses these tags to find structures even after they are unlinked. The Windows Object Manager assigns every kernel object a handle. Processes, threads, files, registry keys, all are objects. Each process has a handle table mapping handle values to object pointers. When malware injects into a process, it must open handles. Those handles leave evidence. Volatility's handles plugin exposes every one. Volatility reads these structures directly from raw bytes. It knows the offset of every field in every Windows version. Give it a memory dump, it finds the EPROCESS list, walks it, and reconstructs everything. No API calls. No OS cooperation. Pure structural analysis from bytes in RAM. 3 takeaways from this chapter. First, EPROCESS is the key structure. Every process analysis starts here. Second, virtual addresses must be translated via page tables. Volatility does this for you. Third, pool tags let us find structures even when malware hides them. Tomorrow, Vol.3 data structures in depth.